is up, you guys? I'm back with more fishing tips and tricks. So, what we're going to be talking about today is I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a Texas rig, how to put a drop shot weight on without having to cut your line, and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's get into it. So I have a 3/0 offset hook. I think that's what it is, 3/0, 3/4. And then I have the Culprit original ribbon tail worm. So the red part's the bottom, and then that's the top. So what you want to do is you want to get the hook, okay, and put the tip of it until it comes to the curve. You want to pull it out and pull it, and then once you get up on that offset, you want to spin it. So now you have that. So now you want to push that part in, and then hook it. So there. So now it's on the right like that. There's the hook. So now what you want to do is kind of pinch it a little bit and pull it up, and then get it on that hook, and then pull it down just a little bit, and now it's completely weedless. So it's good for fishing grass, lily pads, and stuff like that. So that's the Texas rig. So, and I'm gonna get a piece of line, show y'all. So, okay, so we're about to do the drop shot. The drop shot hook, not the hook, but the weight. How you put the weight on there without having to put the beads and cutting your line and redoing it. So that is the drop shot weight. That's a drop shot weight, and that's a drop shot weight. So we're gonna get one of these. Okay, so there you have it, and there's a hole. So what you want to do, get your line and put it together, two parts of it together, and pinch it. Okay, so now, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hole. And what you want to do is stick that through the hole of the weight, okay? Okay, so now you have that circle. So now what you want to do is pull it out just a little bit and put that weight through. And then pull the weight, and there you have it. You didn't have to cut any line. You didn't have to cut absolutely any line. So, I'm gonna grab a hook. Okay, so you got a little hook. I prefer to use a wacky worm hook on the the drop shot. So we're gonna put that hook on there. So we're gonna put the hook on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do the drop shot. I don't prefer using a snap swivel, okay, on the drop shot. Drop shot is meant to be very realistic. So, I use clear monofilament, 14 pound line. So you can use any kind of worm for this. I would not prefer a ribbon tail. Kind of like a just a kind of a straight worm. I like to use the stick baits, but my favorite one to use is the X-Zone lures from, I think, no, X-Zone lures, the Pro Series X-Zone lures, Pro Series Slammer 4-inch. So those right there. So we're gonna grab one of those. Okay. So I'm gonna get one of those. These have a good amount of salt in them. So now what you need to do, so you have the weight right here, and down here you have the hook. Okay. So now you want to get this, and you just want to hook it right there on the end. Not a fancy way, not a special way. Hook it right there on the end, like that. And so that's the drop shot, or the drop shot rig. So there's the drop shot rig. I like fishing those around trees. It's kind of my favorite way to rig those. I usually do my Texas rigs weightless, or if I want some weight, I put just a little split shot on there. So you can put, like I said, that, or you can just put a stick bait and just hook it right there on the end of the lure. So like that. Okay. So now I'm going to show y'all some of my favorite lures, okay? So first off is a spoon. You can't beat a spoon. I love spoons, okay? Spoons work well. Crappie, bass, stripers, anything will eat a spoon. So even if you get a real small one, you catch bluegill, brim, sunfish, and stuff off of them. So and that's actually the spoon, a little spoon, a Lunker Hunt micro spoon is actually what I caught my PB brim off of, and that's down there in my community page. So y'all check that out. It was pretty big. It was huge. It was 2.5 pounds. And then the other one is going to be, I don't have it because I just lost it on a tree today, is the Ghost Gill, Guggen Squad Ghost Gill Square Bill Crankbait. It's a mini banger. Loved it. It's got a good rattle to it, and a little yellow tip on the end, so that'll flashes and really gets their attention. Okay, and another one is the I'm not sure. Oh, it is the Guggen Squad Bluegill color Zinger swim bait, and the trailer I use for it is this right here, the Zoom swim bait. Okay, Z Swim is a 3.8 inch. So this works well. I like fishing this in open water. Okay, and one of my favorites, like my top favorites, I'm getting it right now. I actually caught my PB bass on it, and it was on my birthday when I caught it, actually. Now this is the Whopper Plopper. Love this. This is in bone color. I threw it up against the seawall, and an 8-pounder crushed this thing. I mean, it was double hooked, and that thing was massive. So love that. Awesome to see the top, the top water hits or whatever. Okay, and let's move on to the kits. My favorite kits. Okay, so one of them is the Yum Crawl Bug Kit. I love it. You can use Ned rigs on it. I have different stuff in there at the moment, but as you can see, those are the crawls. I think there's 4 different colors. It's black and blue flake, and there's 2 different sizes. So there's a little one, and there's the big one. Comes with hooks, a few plain jig head hooks. So that's pretty good. I love those. So next is the Big Bite Baits Kids Kit. Okay, I love it. You don't have to be a kid to use it because trust me, it's very good stuff. It's got a tackle. This is the tackle box. Okay, I put the sticker right here so it didn't come on it. But it has 4 tour toads, 8 swimming crawls, 6 pro lizards, 18 trick sticks, 30 grubs, 25 bugs, 15 slab tubes, 6 jig heads, and 8 hooks and weights. So I love those. I have different stuff in there right now, but there's 2 different sizes stick baits. There's one, and there's the other big one. This is one of the sizes of the toads, or one of the colors of the toads, and I love the pro lizards. Those are awesome. The black and blue. Caught a bunch of bass off of them. So those are my 2 favorite kits that I just grab with me if I want to go fish somewhere, or whatever. So, I can't really think of any more tips, but I will do the Ned rig. The Ned rig, if I don't know where yes, I do. I use a 1 ounce Ned jig head. So this is the hold on, the Zoom Fat Albert grub. This right here. And this is the Ned jig head. So I'm gonna grab one of these trick sticks out of my Big Bite Baits kids kit, and this is $13.99. Great price. I mean, the price is incredible. So I'm gonna grab one of their trick sticks. One of the trick sticks. So you get it in the fat part you want to use, the end, okay? So you want to insert the hook, push it up a little bit, and then just like that. That was a terrible demonstration, but that's about what a Ned rig would look like, and it will go in the water like this on the bottom. So that's all for today. Hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what other tips and tricks and bass rigs y'all want me to do. And thank you all for watching, and please subscribe and have a great day.